people still get hit with something like this. You know, this is what is called a J pump. Yep, it's called J pump. And this is an old, real old calling. Look, see it there. Calling the model 150. Model 150 for calling. Oh man, this thing is so. This thing's gotta be. At least it's gotta be probably 40 years old. This is the pump over here. This is what it bring the oil. Then the from here it pressurized 100 psi. You send it down to the nozzle spray on there. This is the igniter over here. This make the spark, big spark, so ignite the oil inside there. But this is again, this is like old school. I don't know what kind of there's no name on it. Can't believe people still kind of stuff around here, you know. I don't know. There's no name on it. I don't even know what the name on it was. ICPA. I don't know. Real old. Look, the Tridicator. That's a Tridicator, old school. And the bottle lets you know the water temperature in the cistern. And the top one, the red one, is the pressure. It's real old school. Real old school stuff. Okay. Let me service this thing over here. Fun, fun, fun.